So today, I'm going to find out, is it worth it? Got a 60 horsepower engine here, a brand new K&N filter. You can see, does it actually make a difference to the performance, induction noise, or general overall experience? So here it is with the original OEM filter. So just going to take off the airbox cover here. I'm just using the impact gun with the torque screws as it can be a bit faster, and then we're going to compare the two filters. So here's the K&N filter on the left and the OEM one on the right. As you can see, quite a difference in depth, but the K&N filter is definitely denser, so it won't detract from filtering. But yeah, we'll now give it an install and see what it's like compared to the original. And of course now the part that actually makes all the performance difference and increases the horsepower, adding in a K&N sticker. So to finish, a comparison of the two, here's the original OEM stock, and then next we'll have the K&N. Overall, I think it has increased the performance marginally, notably in the high revs. There was a bit more of a pull, so for the £10 difference I would definitely recommend it for any low performance car, even high performance. It's not going to make the world of difference, but there is a marginal difference there, so I would definitely recommend getting one, and it has made the driving experience more enjoyable.